Hello guys, I hope you all are doing well. In today's video, I am going to unbox the portable multifunctional battery KM-920. This portable, multifunctional battery KM-920 is a lithium polymer battery. Guys, let's start unboxing. Please watch this video till the end. This portable multifunctional battery KM-920 is a rechargeable battery with a capacity of 17,000 milliampere-hour. This portable multifunctional battery KM-920 is suitable for multiple scenarios. You can use it, for example, to start your car, motorcycle, bus, or truck. To charge your portable devices such as cell phones, tablets, and other electronic devices. For emergency lighting and outdoor camping, without the worry about the power supply. It is a multifunction mobile battery. This portable multifunctional battery KM-920 weighs about 5 kilograms. And you can carry this battery around for outdoor adventures such as tent camping, road trips, etc. This user manual is in Chinese. It includes instructions on how to properly and effectively use this multifunctional battery. This is an adjustable strap. You can use this adjustable strap to carry the multifunctional battery from one place to another. This portable multifunctional battery KM-920 comes with two LED bulbs. In this video, I will show you the unboxing of one of these LED bulbs. The two LED bulbs are identical, and they both come with a bulb holder. This bulb holder is made of plastic. LED bulbs use much less energy than incandescent bulbs because diode light is much more efficient, power-wise, than filament light. Furthermore, LED light bulbs are much brighter than incandescent bulbs. This LED bulb cable has a length of about 5 meters. Guys, let us now test the LED bulb holder. This battery comes with a USB cable that you can use to charge various smartphones, such as Samsung and iPhones. This battery also comes with black and red battery clips. You will need to connect the red clip to the positive pole and the black one to the negative one. This is an auxiliary power outlet. And this is an AC-DC adapter. This AC-DC adapter comes with an input of 100 volts AC to 240 volts AC, 50 to 60 Hz, and an output of 16 volts, 1.5 amperes, with 1 meter cable. This Kato handbag is appropriate for holding, carrying, and protecting all the accessories that come with this portable multifunctional battery KM-920, such as the battery clips and the USB cable. However, this handbag is too small for the battery. Therefore, you need to carry the battery separately. As I mentioned earlier in this video, this portable multifunctional battery KM-920 has a capacity of 17,000 milliampere-hour. And it weighs about 5 kilograms. Guys, let's test this portable multifunctional battery KM-920 with the LED bulb. Thank you.